Bounce back those temperatures. In fact, if you take where we're at now in, let's say, Zionsville, you will see between this morning and tomorrow afternoon about a 50-degree jump in temperatures. I mean, when you think about it in those terms,
not a drop.
Yes, that is very true. That's coming in January. Hey, we've got a touch of frost in some spots today, but our high later on this afternoon about 9 degrees above average and near record heat both Tuesday and Wednesday. Of course, we continue to monitor this, one of the driest Octobers in history. Of course, it's not over yet, and we do believe that we're going to get some rain in here on Halloween, which may take us out of this whole list. We'll see how much we get, but it's still dry out there. 42 in Indy, but in the 30s in the metro area, 36 in Louisville, 41 in Cincinnati, and the jet stream continues to bow to the north this morning. It's cool outside, but look what happens as we move into the next couple of days. Jet stream moving well into southern Ontario, and for that reason, we're going to see these temperatures jump big time. Now, with sunrise at 8:10 this morning, we're going to go from 40 at 8 a.m. to 51 at recess for the kiddos, and then a high of 70 today. 70 is wonderful. It was beautiful yesterday. We got another beautiful day today. So even though you'll need a jacket or a coat this morning, probably won't need that later on. Now, let's talk about rain. This is just one computer model, and I've got to tell you, a model that Lindsay and I like to use, the GFS, does have us with more than an inch of rain, or I should say nearly an inch of rain. I do believe that as we get closer to Halloween, these are going to change, okay? But this is what we're looking at, pretty healthy rain, quarter of an inch to maybe a half an inch initially, but I do think it's possible we could get more than that. So let's talk about rain, because we've talked about it twice the whole month. We've only had 2 days of rain. So here we are dry. This is a look at Wednesday night when this cold front is starting to move in. Now ahead of that, a surge of warmer air. So we're talking about 80-degree weather on Wednesday. Then as this area of low pressure moves off to the east, this is Thursday, 7 o'clock in the morning. Again, widespread rain, and that rain could stick around at least 5 hours and probably more than that. In fact, this is 6 o'clock, still some rain along the Ohio River. The rest of us at this point look like the trick-or-treaters won't get wet. 70 today, 81 tomorrow, and 80 on Wednesday. So near record heat. In fact, we could tie that record tomorrow. 70 on Thursday, and Friday it gets nice and clear and cool at only 59 degrees.